Hello, this is a Zanussi TC481W condenser dryer. Picked this up at the side of the road. I have tested it. Turns out I believe the thermostat is gone, so it's just heating continuously. I've just tested it again and now it's tripping the electrics. So unsure really where to go with it at this point because I can't be bothered. It is going to another collector at some stage. At some point I'll take it apart and have a better look at it. Synthetics section of the timer here, 80 minutes. We've got 120 minutes high heat on cottons, there's no options on this. Water, condenser water container indicator light. And the timing's over here. So the filter's there. I have had this cleaned very briefly, so it was a lot dirtier. The condenser itself, I've had through the shower because it was completely blocked. Dirty inside, but it's functional. Plan was to show you this working, but as you can see, well, as you know by now, it's not. So I will have to investigate at some stage. Thanks for watching. See you next time.